small tutorial how to adjust your language settings on Mercedes CLK 209. Let's start by clicking this button on the steering wheel, and this will go over the menu, telephone, outside temperature. I have broken sensor, so it's not -40, audio, now some error messages. Yeah, I changed my battery, so I have a lot. And now settings. It's on German, but for example, it could be any other language that you don't understand. There's a small trick you could use. There is a Google Translate application. Maybe there's something else you could use on your Apple or something like this. And here, for example, it will show you in English. You can select your preferred language and show you what this means. And because it's German, I can already know what I can search for, and I need to find Sprache. So I'm clicking through this, searching for Sprache, and now you can see there's a plus and minus, and I can use minus the other way to go to the English settings. And that's it. Now to apply this, I just click on this. And yes, that was easy. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if not already.